Welcome to Referral Rocket. My name is Karan, and in this onboarding series, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to successfully launch your referral or an affiliate program. We'll cover different topics around what are some of the prerequisites to get started uh, with launching your program. How do you create your first campaign in Referral Rocket? Then we'll talk about the different types of referral flows that you can build. We'll talk about how you install the program on your application, how you integrate a payment provider to start tracking referrals. We'll go through some of the steps it takes to test your program end to end. We'll also talk about how do you reward or issue payouts to your customers. And then I'll also add some post-launch tips on how you can make your program successful. So, what are some of the prerequisites to know before you actually start your program? Well, the first thing is you need to be clear on what type of referral program or what type of campaign you want to launch. There are different types of campaigns. For example, a refer a friend campaign, an affiliate program, milestone giveaways, leadership boards, right? So it's important to decide what is the goal of your campaign or what is the goal of your referral program and what type of program it's going to be. Is it a referral program which is primarily for existing customers to bring in new customers, right? Or is it going to be an affiliate program where you're looking to partner with folks or affiliates who would kind of spread the word about your product to their network in exchange for a commission? So it's important to decide what type of campaign you want to launch. Once you've decided what type of campaign you want to launch, the next important thing is to decide what type of reward do you want to give your users, right? So defining the reward structure is very important. And broadly, there are two categories of how that can be divided. One is a single-sided reward. Second is a double-sided reward. Single-sided is where only the referrer gets a reward. A simple example of that is an Airbnb referral program where if you refer a friend, you get $30 in travel credit, right? As opposed to a double-sided where both the parties, meaning the referrer and the referee, gets a reward. A classic example of that is Uber, where you refer a friend, they get $10 worth of ride, and you get $10 when they finish a ride, right? So typically, for a referral program, you can go either way. For an affiliate program, there's always your decision if you want to reward new customers as well. So it's important to decide what your reward structure is going to be. What type of reward are you going to give? Is it a monetary reward? Is it a percentage reward? Is it going to be a lifetime reward, meaning a recurring reward every time the new user is subscribed to your application, or is it a one-time reward? So those are some of the things that you need to decide before you actually dive into the into creation of your program. Once you have clarity on sort of the type of campaign that you want to create, um, you can then move on to the next video where I'll talk about or jump into actually how to create your first campaign.